More often than not, if you are going to have any leaks in your system, they will be either at the air fittings, tubing connection, or valve core. Here's the tip. The best way to check is to spray a solution of soap and water on the fittings, connections, and valves. If a leak is present, you'll see expanding bubbles around the leaking area, like this. If you find a leak, before any repairs, let the pressure out of the system. If the leak is at the tubing connection, check the following steps to solve the issue. Remove the tube and check for a square cut. Cut it again if needed. Pay attention to make the cut properly. Insert the tube back into the fitting. Check that the tube is fully inserted into the fitting. Spray again and reassess. If the leak is at the air fitting, take the following measures. Tighten the fitting another 1/4 turn. Spray again and reassess. If the leak is at the fill valve core, use the valve core wrench on the inflation valve cap to tighten the valve core. Spray again and reassess.